Hello viewers, so I'm trying to give you guys a walkthrough step by step on how I did my repair for my car using a special web tool. It's called mechanicdiy.com. Um, Basically what happened was I was coming from work yesterday evening. It was pouring and I went through this big puddle. So I'm thinking water got into the coils and it started misfiring. I did not know it was that was the problem until I got home and it kept doing the same problem next morning. So I was a little bit worried. Check engine was on, it was flashing. So I was like, I really don't have the funds right now to be going to a shop and having a mechanic even diagnose it and fixing it, because I'm pretty sure he would have literally took me for about $800 to $1,000 on this repair. So what I did today is Tuesday, the 18th, November 18. I went to AutoZone, got their OBD scanner. They let you borrow it, it's free. Just give them your ID. So the tool, the web tool, mechanicdiy.com, following the steps, it told me to pretty much, step one was basically take off the coil. Number 3, that's the coil. The coil basically, it has one of these screws. It's a 10 millimeter. Take it off, literally just pops right out. You just pull it out. You gotta be careful with the wiring. Just pull it out carefully. And then you gotta throw a spark plug socket. I just literally had to use the ratchet just to snug it loose. And after that, literally with your hand, you could literally just turn it. Make sure the socket for the spark plugs has the rubber, so you could actually bring the spark plug with you. And there it is. Have yourself a little dirty rag. You don't make a mess. Excuse me, I'm a little bit ghetto. Use an old cloth. And now we're going to step 2. Update. So I replaced the ignition coil with the spark plug, and I turned it on right now, and it seems like it's not doing the shakiness that it was doing before. But I'll let you guys know right now. I'm gonna give you an update. I'm gonna take it out for a little drive. So just came back from the test drive. No issues whatsoever, no shakiness. So the problem was fixed. Try it out, guys. It's free. mechanicdiy.com. It's free.